Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Lucky Mariner Blogs. Today we are at Jalori Pass. This location is a 360-degree viewpoint. To reach here, we have to park your car on the road at Jalori Pass, and there is a hike of half kilometer to reach here. The views are great from top. We can see all around on the valley. Today we had the plan to go Saloskar Lake, but locals told us to go tomorrow because it takes 5 hours to go and come back. We left home on 4th December evening and reached Fagu at 9 p.m. We were in so much hurry and trip was not confirmed, so I forgot my bag of gimbal, tripod and handycam at home only. So I am managing my videos with cell phone. Please ignore that camera is not steady because I forgot my gimbal. And today morning we left Fagu in the morning and had breakfast at Narkanda. Then we visited one Nag Lake near Narkanda. Then we reached Jalori Pass at 1 p.m. after visiting viewpoint. Now we reach Cheni Koti. Don't use Google Map to reach here. It is better to ask locals about the road. And we wasted about half an hour with Google Map. So the road is off-road to reach here. Also we lost half an hour because car was stuck. So this building is having 9 floors now. Initially it had 11 floors. And 2 floors were fallen down about 100 years back. So we feel lucky that we reached here before sunset and we catch the view of Cheni Koti. If you want to visit here, allow minimum 2 to 3 hours time from GB or Banjar because the road is very bad to reach here. And after that we took guest house in GB and slept. Next morning on 6th, we visited GB waterfall. GB is about 15 kilometers from Jalori Pass towards Mandi, and there are a lot of guest houses and homestays in GB in this area to stay. After visiting GB waterfall, we head for Jalori Pass again to start our trek for Saloskar Lake. There was snow on the road and you can see a biker struggling ahead of us. So for bikers it is difficult to drive on snow when it is frozen on the road. So my partner got the rubber shoes to wear, but my size is 11, so I did not find there. To visit Saloskar Lake, it is open around the year, but it is closed during peak winter and heavy snow. This time it is the second snowfall of season, so it will be closed when there is a heavy snowfall at Jalori Pass. As per locals, it is closed only in January and February. In March it opens again, but you can always call the local guest houses and hotels and check the status. For us it took 2 hours to go, 1 hour there and 2 hours to come back. There are small dhabas on the way for tea, coffee, lunch. Thanks for watching and supporting.
Routine haze, concrete maze, I think I'm fading. Inside down, upside out, my soul is breaking. I can't stay, this place isn't big enough for me. I got a whole world left to see. No cheap philosophy, don't need designer dreams. It's all a lot of shit to me. I wanna get high with a few good friends, hit the road, see where it ends. Kick up my feet in the backseat, bump up the fresh beats, rap-a-pa-pam-pam-pam. I wanna leave tracks designer dreams don't seem like happiness to me.